is here!
Is that why you're showing your knees?
Yeah, that's why I'm showing my knees. Hello YouTubians and fellow hobbyists! I received a package from the US of A, United States. I ordered something and finally it came. We'll show you that later on the show. I'm your host Gary G, as you know, and today we're gonna finish our tank and we're gonna talk about this little thing that's in there. But first, the riddle! In total, how many Boss 429 were made? A. 1358, B. 1458, or C. 1558? The answer is always the end of the show. In the garage we finished our Clown Hunter. That thing is probably a game changer. It might end the war between the clown mutants and the mankind. But see for yourself, down in the garage. So we completed our tank so far, there's just a few more details. Like this bazooka. Now it's time to put the name of our unit on the tank. And here is the finished build. And now back in the studio. crazy over the years. I can't believe you did that.
See, this time it's not me, it's you.
Well. Anyways, I ordered something for my cars. I ordered rims. I don't want to say the name, you know, all those things. I don't get no money. Why should I, you know? But here comes the thing. I ordered some rims, and since we don't have them here in good old Europe, I always have to order that in the United States. It cost me a fortune, but hey, open it and let's see what we got here. The bill, of course, and yeah, some Pegasus rims. Yes, and this one, and this one. I'm not sure about the gold color. Maybe well, we'll see. That's cool. And then I have those crazy ones. And those I kind of like that. They have just three spokes. I think that's cool too. And I'm thinking a long time maybe going with a low rider, and that might be the perfect rims for it. I don't know about that, but yeah, that's the thing for today. So I'm very happy with my shopping things that they ordered me, and it just works every time perfectly fine. It's not kind of really cheap, but definitely worth it. So that's been said. The Ford Mustang 429, aka Boss 9, is probably one of the rarest muscle cars to date. But of that is for sure that they did not build a million of it. But how many were actually built in total? See, in the riddle. Well, this Saturday show comes to an end, and we hope you had a few joyful moments. Don't forget to tune in next Saturday when we start a brand new build. But for now, at least play the piano. Love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people and keep that hobby alive. See you next Saturday with new rims maybe. Well, this Saturday show comes to an end, and we hope you had a few joyful moments with us. Is that kind of English?
I was sleeping.
You're not supposed to sleep. You're supposed kind of be the director, overhead supervisor, controller, something, you know. And it's just kind of counting the birds outside or something while I'm talking crappy. And the audience, you kind of, what?
I had a flatline.
Okay, we have to do that again.